Here it is. Our first look at the all-electric 2024 Porsche Macan. Images of the all-new, second-generation Porsche Macan have leaked online just hours before the fresh SUV's official reveal. Two images of the new Macan have been posted to Instagram by Wilco Block, revealing a fresh exterior design and dimensions that appear to be slightly larger than the outgoing model. FB7A117F/2024 Porsche Macan leaked 1 JPEG 17. The wheelbase, in particular, seems to have grown. However, we'll need to wait for the Macan's official reveal later tonight before we can confirm its exact dimensions. The new Gen Macan will be offered solely as an EV in Australia and is the first model to utilize Porsche's fresh premium platform electric (PPE) architecture. Porsche has already confirmed some key details for the new Macan, including a driving range of up to 500 kilometers, power outputs of more than 450 kilowatts and a large 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Keep reading our story below to learn more. Design-wise, the new Macan debuts a cleaner, more minimalist look. Up front there's a new, split-level lighting arrangement, while Porsche's now familiar full-width light bar features at the rear. DCCD 1122/2024 Porsche Macan leaked JPEG 17. Inspiration from the Taycan and larger Cayenne are also evident in the new exterior design. Perhaps the biggest change can be seen in the new Macan silhouette, courtesy of a new tailgate design that's more steeply raked. Stay tuned for the Macan's official reveal, but for now, let us know what you think. Do you like the fresh look? January 2024, Porsche Macan electric details confirmed. More details have been delivered on the upcoming and overdue Porsche Macan EV, following news in December that Australia's Macan range will be electric only in the coming year. Mike Stevens. Key points. Up to 500 kilometers driving range. Big 100 kilowatt-hour battery, 80% charge in 22 minutes. Over 450 kilowatts power in turbo model. This week the company confirmed at last that the electric Macan, the first EV built on the company's premium platform electric PPE architecture, will pack a big CATL-supplied 100 kilowatt-hour battery unit, with 95 kilowatt-hours of that being actively usable. In a video released today, below, the company also confirmed a driving range of up to 500 kilometers will be achievable in the electric Macan, depending on the variant. Big power, fast charging. Thanks to its 800V architecture and 270 kilowatt speeds, the Macan will charge from 10 to 80% in less than 22 minutes at compatible DC ultra-fast stations, outpacing the likes of Hyundai and Kia, whose 800V systems can charge a 77.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack from 10 to 80% in around 18 minutes. Although these capabilities can vary dramatically, this is helped by the electric Macan's ability to split its 800V system into two 400V systems as needed. 27E216AC/2024 Porsche Macan electric prototype 11 JPG 17. With a dual-motor configuration on board, the electric Macan also boasts all-wheel drive. Power and acceleration figures are still to be revealed, but George Catcher's first drive last year revealed we can expect the flagship turbo, yep, no actual turbos included, to produce around 456 kilowatts and hit 100 kilometers per hour in less than 4 seconds. That'll do. In entry-level form, the electric Macan is expected to deliver around 280 kilowatts, and closer to 300 kilowatts in boost mode. 0C751 SEB/2024 Porsche Macan Macan electric review George Catcher 14 JPG. Review 2024 Porsche Macan review, new electric Porsche driven. We've finally driven the long-delayed electric version of the Macan, and it's better than the popular petrol SUV in many ways, though not all. October 10, 2023. Efficiency figures are also still to be revealed, but Catcher's launch day results shows 31.1 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers in one turbo and 35.7 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers in the other. Still, Launch events are notoriously inappropriate sources of real-world data when it comes to fuel/power efficiency.